Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about how to install TikTok plus Facebook Pixel, in this case, well, in Shopify. So first of all, you have to install this extension or application using here in Shopify for multi-pixels called Pixelfy. To install it, we are going to proceed to look for here in the search bar. On the top, look for Pixelfy. You have to click on here and let's see. Okay, that happens because I already have the application installed. But in this case, the only thing you have to do is proceed to install the application, and that's it. And this is the welcome page. You have to click on next and next after you already enabled the pixel. You enable the Pixelfy in your app and your Shopify theme to get started. Okay, app embed. Click on next, and here you have to select here the Facebook Pixel and Conversion API by clicking here and selecting. I'm gonna delete this pixel, and in this case you have to put your pixel name here. In this case, I already have. I don't know, Adidas store, and my pixel ID. Let's go here in Meta Business Suite, and you have to click here. Let's see, you have to look for your events manager on Facebook and click on collect data, click on web, and click on next. And you have to, okay, here, and you have to look for, let's see, put your name. In this case, my name is Adidas store, and create. Let's wait. Okay. And after that, we have to go here in data sets. Okay, and we have here our store ID, that's a store, and we have to copy the ID here on the bottom. Okay, pixel ID, and we have to paste it here and click on next. And click on next again, and we have the plans here, so you have to choose whatever you want, and click on get started now, for example, and click on approve if you want this plan. And that's it, guys. This is the whole video. I hope you like it, and please subscribe and leave me a like, and see you next one.